Hello everyone, I'm Jiyue and welcome to this early test drive program. In today's automotive landscape, it's fascinating to observe that every car manufacturer seems to be launching their own models in what we can refer to as the 7 Series category. Among these competitors, we have the Xiaomi SU7 and the Geely GU07. The latter is particularly interesting, as it represents a joint venture between Geely and Baidu. And it's important to note that this vehicle is not merely a carrot, it is a sophisticated car robot. With innovative design elements that integrate advanced technologies, it comes equipped with features like invisible door handles, enhancing its modern aesthetic. The performance model we are testing today has been proclaimed by its creators to include a silicon carbide-powered motor and an all-wheel drive system. Together, they produce a remarkable total power output of 530 kW, along with an impressive torque of 60-53 Nm. The front motor specifically contributes parameters of 305 kW and 373 Nm. In practical terms, these specifications promise outstanding performance, translating to rapid acceleration from 0 to 100 in just 3.5 seconds, comparable to the Lincoln Co. Z10, a well-regarded competitor in the same segment. This performance places the GU07 as an enticing option for enthusiasts looking for a powerful yet eco-friendly vehicle. On the whole, the GU07 showcases a wide operational range, allowing it to navigate through various driving conditions effectively. Additionally, it performs commendably when adjusting speeds and planning routes in advance. However, when confronted with complex road situations or intersections without clearly marked lanes, the logic calibration of the vehicle's autonomous capabilities still requires optimization. This is an essential factor, especially in urban driving, where unpredictability reigns. Achieving smooth integration into daily commutes can drastically enhance driver confidence. Nonetheless, its urban performance may not measure up to higher-priced rivals. In comparison, the GU07 identifies itself among heavyweights like the Xiaomi S7 and the Zeekr L6, both of which are equipped with state-of-the-art sensing technologies that enhance their autonomous driving features. This vehicle indeed presents a learning curve for its users, particularly due to its modern, avant-garde designs that might require some time for complete consumer adaptation. Understanding the vehicle's features, including advanced touchscreen controls and voice commands, could initially feel overwhelming for new drivers who are used to traditional car interfaces. Furthermore, the pricing strategy for this car raises discussions surrounding the value it offers. In today's competitive market, where similar models abound, the question remains whether its price justifies the sophisticated engineering and technologies it incorporates. For this car, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think it is worth the investment? Share your perspective in the comments section below, as I'm eager to read your insights. Moreover, the GU07 brings intriguing features to the table that are aimed at a new generation of drivers. It boasts an advanced driver assistance system featuring a full suite of safety technologies, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and an automated emergency braking system. These features are designed not only to make driving easier but also to ensure the safety of all passengers. Imagine navigating through a busy city, while knowing that your car can intelligently steer and adjust speed based on traffic conditions. This level of innovation speaks volumes about the advancement of automotive technology. Furthermore, the cabin comes equipped with a large touchscreen interface that seamlessly connects with smartphones, allowing drivers to enjoy a range of infotainment options that include navigation, music streaming, and even voice-activated commands for hands-free operation. Who wouldn't want a travel companion that listens to your every command? This modern ensemble provides both comfort and functionality, tailored for the tech-savvy crowd. In terms of performance metrics, the GU07 is designed for exhilarating driving experiences. Aside from its impressive acceleration, drivers will find that its handling is quite nimble. This is thanks to its lightweight construction and expertly tuned suspension, which work together to provide a driving experience that balances comfort with responsiveness. The vehicle overcomes sudden turns and agility with ease, making it feel more like a premium sports car than a traditional EV. Additionally, the presence of regenerative braking enhances the driving experience, as it allows the car to recover energy lost during braking and feed it back into the battery. This results in improved efficiency, allowing drivers to travel further on a single charge, thus addressing one of the most significant concerns among electric vehicle users. The Jiyue 07 also presents a clean and modern aesthetic that stands out in the sea of electric vehicles. With sleek lines and a futuristic look, it turns heads wherever it goes. The interior is carefully crafted with high-quality materials and the latest technology, creating an inviting space that's perfect for both drivers and passengers alike. The onboarding experience into this high-tech cabin is another feature that adds to the user-friendly approach of the Jiyue 07. Everything from the layout of the controls to the simulation of the dashboard has been designed to ensure a smooth integration into the driving experience. In conclusion, you truly get the feeling of a forward-thinking vehicle that is not solely focused on performance, but also on overall driver satisfaction. Is it time to rethink what we want in our future vehicles? Continuing along the journey, we dive into the actual driving experience. During our test drive, we faced various road conditions and challenges that allowed us to assess the vehicle's performance in real time. We encountered busy intersections, narrow streets, and highway merges, all of which provided insights into how well the Jiyue 07 adapts to changing environments. Navigating urban terrains revealed how the vehicle's adaptive systems adjust to obstacles, maintaining a safe distance while optimizing speed. The autonomous capabilities of the Jiyue 07 truly shine when it comes to handling unexpected scenarios on the road, greeting everything with a sense of calm. Clear communications through the dashboard and auditory cues give a reassuring presence that the car is constantly analyzing its surroundings and preparing for any necessary adjustments. Moreover, the assistance features perform remarkably well. When entering complex junctions, the lane guidance becomes invaluable, ensuring the vehicle stays in its desired lane, while illuminating the next maneuver needed. The blend of technology and comfort means you can drive with confidence, knowing that the integrated systems are working with you to provide the most efficient routing. The vehicle's ability to manage traffic signals and adapt to stopango scenarios without any driver intervention showcases the advancements in autonomous driving technology that the Jiyue 07 offers. In instances where you might have hesitated or panicked, the Jiyue 07 provides a steady hand, making the driving experience less stressful and much more enjoyable. After experiencing a variety of driving environments, I can conclude that the Jiyue 07 operates efficiently across the board. It adapts well in both high-speed scenarios on highways and the slower, more intricate city streets. What stands out the most is how well it handles speed adjustments and merges into traffic. For anyone who has faced the frustrations of stopango traffic, the car's ability to manage these instances seamlessly is a significant advantage. It paves the way for a much more relaxed journey for owners who may struggle with traditional gas-powered cars, allowing them to engage with their surroundings, rather than stress over driving. As we conclude our detailed review of the Jiyue 07, it's worth noting the positives and negatives. While the vehicle undoubtedly comes with a learning curve due to its advanced features, the end rewards of effortless driving and improved safety are significant. The discussions surrounding its pricing are valid, especially with the competitive market offering alternative models at various pricing brackets. At the end of the day, your choice may lie in weighing out advanced technology and safety against budget limitations. As the automotive industry moves toward an increasingly electrified future, the Jiyue 07 certainly sets a benchmark for where innovation and automated driving can take us.